lamdam asigi lomi singna puthokpa agriculture amadi horticulture gi pothok sing miyamda khanghanba amadi yonbagi tanjapi nabagi damak state ki thakta pangthokpa Krishi Mela ngasidagi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hodokrai sedasi agriculture gi lamda yamna hena chausinba yabagi oithokpa lei state asi sports sa maming chatpagum agricultural sector dasu maming chatpa state ama ohelasi haina governor Ajay na phongdokhi Numit Marini Chupna Chathariba Mela si State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute Sameti Manipur Department of Agriculture na sinduna Impaliski Palace Compound Laiba Iboyay Masumang Lila Sanglen da Pangthokpani Tharamadu Governor Ajay na makha taraduna lau singu bahaybasi state asi khaktagi natana laiba asida lairiba miyamgi punsi role ni Lomi singna laiba asigi maruoiba thodang ama laubana center amadi state lengakna paikhaliba chawkha thaurangi scheme amadi project singi matangda khanghanba amadi phanghanba changi haiki Serasida Central Agricultural University CAU amadi ICAR gi Institute Labours na maram oiraga lamdam asida lomi singna matam yoiba awawa madi khudongcha da lakpa matamda mateng oihali haiba wafam governor na thamladuna serasi yoiba lau singu bagi lamda chawkhatpa yabagi potential kaya leiri Traditional agricultural practice ta yumfam oiraga modern agricultural techniques sing adopt oba matam oiri haiki Thoramadu CAU Imphal gi VC Senior Anupam Misra Manipur lenga ke Principal Secretary Agriculture Arun Kumar Senha yauna Agriculture amadi Horticulture Department ki makok thongba official amadi staff sing su saruk yakhi Mela sida state asi toan ba district singi longmi singi oiba stall hangduna makhoina puthokli ba pothok sing miyam da phanghalli Mela hodokpa duga mari leinana lomi beneficiary sing da state amadi center ki toan ba scheme singi benefit sing su yenthokhi
I firmly believe that our state has immense potential in agriculture, and with the right guidance, support and innovation, our farmers can achieve new heights of success. Let's take the new technology while staying rooted to the traditional wisdom. Let's work together to make Manipur a self-sufficient and prosperous agrarian state. On this occasion, I urge all our farmers to make the most of this event, absorb valuable insights, implement them in their fields, and I assure you that Government of Manipur will continue to support and stand with our farmers at every step. Let this Krishi Mela 2025 be a milestone in our journey for a brighter, prosperous agricultural future for state of Manipur.